Hi everybody! Tara, for today's video, samahan niyo ako. This is the day that I'm finally leaving Thailand. Oh, sad. It has been a long, fun, pure of excitement 2 months here in Thailand. So, like, I visited a lot of places, and all the places that I visited, it was really fun and very memorable. So, just waiting for my grab. As you can see, my itsura, of course, I want to be comfortable as much as I can. And it's just like 3 hours away. So, from Bangkok to Kolkata, India. So, there, I'm just waiting for my boat. And he should be here anytime soon. So, ayan, see you in India. Finally, it's happening. I know we have been all waiting for this and it's finally happening. At wala akong boses. May sakit na naman ako, di ba? Mahina talaga ako sa mga usok-usok na yan. Lagi ako nadadala dyan. Usok, alikabok, init ng araw. Ayun talaga yung, nako. Anyways, eto na siguro yung taxi ko. I'll see you. Bye-bye. Everybody, K Toretto here. Tsura ko. Mukha akong tanga pero kaya mo na. So, I think we've arrived. I think I've arrived. Ano yung sinasabi ko ng transfers and exits? So, ayun. Videohan na natin tong Kolkata Airport kasi baka hindi na natin itong makita. Diba? Hindi ko alam kung saan eh. Ayun na exit. So, ayan. I'm sorry, yeah. Ay, gusto ko yung taxi na to. Ang gusto ko yan. Yung kulay dilaw. Bet ko yan. Everybody, so ayun. I was vlogging earlier inside and then someone just stopped me. They said na it's not allowed now there. So, okay. Just a quick vlog lang around the place just so you can see. If you can see parang mausok, no, that's a fog. It's super duper cold right now. So, ayun. Pakita ko lang yung place. Diba, ang bongga ng pagpunta ko sa India, I think I arrived in the right time in India because it's cold. And I really like that. So to those who's asking why I did not go to India the last time, because it was really hot. I always get like prickly heats when I was in Pakistan and I don't want that to keep happening when I go to India. So ayan. So again, this is Kolkata Airport, just showing you the ambience, how it looks like. And I'm heading to my hostel. It's gonna be like, if I take a bus, which is I'm super antok na, it's gonna take like an hour and like 20 minutes. If I take taxi, it's just 30 minutes. But I think I can still do the bus because the weather is really nice. So I think I can do it. So let's do the bus. Bus number BS2. Sorry, excuse me, sorry, can I ask you a question? I'm looking for like bus number BS2. Where's the bus station?
MG Road College.
Yeah, BS2.
It's a mistake. It's a mistake.
I have to go up?
No. It's a mistake.
Straight. Bus station, yeah? Oh, okay. Oh, straight lang daw. Thank you. Oh, straight lang daw. Okay, let's do that. Mag-straight tayo. Ginanahan ako mag-bus, so I kind of feel like I can go the bus. I can use the bus. The weather is nice, so I forgot it's cold nga pala. I'm like pretty sure na I'm gonna use taxi because I haven't slept yet. But when I arrived, the weather is pleasant and everything was smooth. Immigration, the process, ayun. Everything was smooth naman. So, okay, let's find the bus. I have the energy, though I'm super duper antok. So, let's do it. Let's go. Kapag yung bus station, if I will be able to find the bus station, I'm a certified traveler. Well, I've done it so many times, so I know I can do it again. Many times again. Hoy everybody, para alam nyo lang, para di na kayo mahirapan mag-research. So, Kolkata is like located in West Bengal. So, literally, malapit to sa Bangladesh. Tama ba? Diba? Bigla ako nalito. Oh, something like that. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Diba? Pag mali ako, I'm sorry. Check the Google. Oh, ay, ito na yung bus ko. Sabi ko sa inyo, I will be able to find it eh. I really love the weather right now. My God. For reservation of... I can ride here, yeah? Told you BS2. That's my bus, sabi nung hostel, ano ko. Kinemperot. I'm so good. My God. I found it. College Street. Medyo madumi lang pero go lang.
Nice.
Sorry? No, it's okay. No worries. Ay, teka nga yung mga bag ko. Again, everybody, from this point, moving forward, my English is gonna be English na. Because I want my international friends to watch my vlog so they can understand as well. Because they keep asking me, is your vlog English? And then I would answer them, no, it's Filipino English. So I will try my best to speak in English. Okay. For those to those who's perfect in English, don't watch me. Because my English again is not perfect, but my face is Chinese lang. And again, thank you, Thailand. I survived because of this. We were able to survive the flight because of... I'm sick, but not like sick. I just have problem with my throat. Ano lang to, allergic reaction ko lang to sa dust. And sa weather sa Thailand, so ayun. But I think I'm gonna be okay. Gandang bata, oh. Sorry, can I ask you something? I'm actually going to like West College Street.
Yes, this bus will go. You will go to College Street, right?
Yeah.
Just tell him that I will get out at College Street.
You will go down before me or I will go down?
No, I will go before you.
Okay, sure. Alright, I'm just gonna ask the driver then. Do you mind telling the driver where I need to go? Okay, thank you. It says College Square or Shetranajan College. Anywhere there, may drop off.
MG Road. You have to get down in MG Road.
Okay, MG Road is better. Okay, thank you. How much do I need to pay?
I think 30 or 40 rupees.
30 or 40. Okay, thank you. Oh, you hear that? So that's where we're going. Thank God. I think it's gonna be an easy travel this time because, as you can see, people speaks English, so it's gonna be easy for me. Any recommendations?
I thought that if you are...
Oh fuck. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Bumagsak yung bag ko. Thank
Keep
you.
it close.
Yeah. Ang weird kung ano man yung tunog na yan. So, just showing you everybody the first few... Whatever I can see right now is exactly what you're gonna see here also. Yun lang, just showing you it. Quick short vlog lang about my arrival, that's it. I'm not gonna make it long. Hoy, pay na tayo ng bus. Baka kala nyo libre to. Baka kala mo jeep ng tito mo to. I'm sorry?
I am no change. What are you going on?
College Square, MG Road.
MG Road.
Yeah, MG Road.
40 rupees.
I only have this. Later, yeah? Wala kasi, nag-withdraw ako sa bank. I withdraw my money, but they only gave me this, like full 500s. I think he doesn't have a change yet. So later, pay. Once you have change, just let me know, yeah? I believe it or not, when I arrive in any country, I love hearing the sounds of the surroundings, the people talking, even the sound of the bus. I don't know, it's giving me something. It's exciting. It's just giving me this like new vibes and everything. So, tulad yung first bus ride natin. So, ayun ang mga kaganapan. There's like a lot of constructions around going on. I think you can see it from here. Oh. I hope I look good. Na-stress ako sa biyahe. Antok ako, wala akong tulog. Nako, I can see karak chai. I can smell. I know. I can smell karak chai 2 miles away. My God. My God, I haven't eaten anything yet, but I think this is karak. Gusto ko yung mga pabusina, talaga naman. Na-excite ako sumakay doon. Yung public. Because it's cold, so we can ride that. Kita ba? Nakakagulo yung mga tao, grabe. I don't know if you can see it, but like there's a lot of things going around. Yung mga bus. My God. Na-stress ako. Na-stress. Ang dami nangyayari, girl, sa paligid. Sa totoo lang. So, ayun. I just got off from my bus, walking towards to my hostel. My God. India is not for new travelers. I'm telling you as early as now, it's not gonna be easy for you. India is hardcore, babes. So, ayan. Bakit parang ang layo nung hostel ko, shucks. So, yeah, we're gonna have to find a place. Just keep walking straight. Grabe. The smokes are everywhere. They're literally just burning everything. Like, around the street, just side of the street. So, I still have cough. Tapos, ubo ako ng ubo lalo because of the usok. Oh my gosh. Ang layo ko pa. Very wrong yung ano. Yung bus. Hello. So, ayan. Shit, ang layo. More walk to. Almost half kilometer, I guess. I don't have internet. I'm literally using my offline map right now. Diba? My God. Papasa talaga akong traveler. Nakarating ako sa pupuntahan ko without internet. Bakit? Noong unang panahon, wala namang internet na pupuntahan ng mga Oh, thank you. Puntahan naman ng mga tao yung pupuntahan nila. Human connection, ganon. Communication is the key. And also use your brain. Yun lang naman yun. Hoy, culture shock. Honestly, I'm culture shock right now. Like, a lot of people are taking bath just side of the streets, doing their, like, how do you say it, personal thing just side of the street. So, ayun. Oh my God, there's too much dura. I don't like that. I'll keep walking pa. Oh my God, malayo-layo pa ako. I'm still like, I don't know. It seems so far. Okay, let's keep walking, everybody. My God, nai-stress ako. The busina is everywhere. Like, ginagawa nilang music yung busina. The horns are hornings. My God. Just in case you wanna know how I look like right now, I look like shit. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just trying to follow my offline map. I hope that I'll be able to arrive. without getting sagasa. Because yung buses, nakakaloka talaga. They would literally just stop out of nowhere and then you gotta have to like jump if you wanna ride the bus. It's a great... Buti na lang I grew up in the Philippines. Basic. Oh. Shucks. The smoke is smoking. Everybody, if I'm not talking, that means I'm so focused. Because cars, bikes, motorcycles, and literally people are... Oh, see, I told you. They're taking bath outside. Oh, see, I told you. They're taking bath outside. Nakakaloka. Nasashock sila sa... Oh my God, wait, there's dogs. Marami sila. Wait lang. We don't like that. We don't want rabies today. My God, there's too much dogs. I hope vaccinated sila. Nakakaloka. Okay, doggy, behave, please. I cannot run. Seriously, I can... If the dog bites me, I'm just gonna be okay, fuck. I don't have a choice, just bite it. Ganun na lang yung magiging reaction ko. Sana may elevate. Because I cannot. It's the 4th floor. Oh, that's gonna be it, everybody. I arrived safe naman. I almost thought I'm gonna die with the buses. I thought masasagasaan ako. Nakakaloka yung mga busina. So, let's see. I'm gonna find food later. I'm just gonna have to sleep. First, I haven't slept yet. So, ayun. I arrived. Let's go. Let's do it. Good night.